Hello, everyone. Hi, Priyanka. Hello. Thanks for joining. Hello, Vibha. Hi, Vailana. Nice to see you all together here. I know it's sharp 7 right now, and this is the first step towards a dream of mine, beautiful minds. I'm waiting for my guest to join this so that we can quickly start off this journey without wasting much time. Oh, tell us more about Evoke. Nice, yeah, I love that. Sure. Vailana, Evoke is a training and business consultancy where we deal with training activities. It includes both the colleges, schools, and again corporate training as well. That just goes on, which includes soft skills, life skills, and it also includes. I could see my guest there. I'm just waiting for her pop-up to come in so that she can join this. Yeah, I was telling, yeah, so it includes life skills, soft skills, and it also goes with career guidance, IELTS, communicative English. So we tell our client that you tell us, we do that. So that's how the work goes on. Yeah. It was a quick decision to start off Evoke, and this June 14th we complete our 1 year. We have been associated with a few organizations in and around Calicut right now. We do have responses from other places as well, but yeah, thinking on that. So it is that time when we had this lockdown and we were just stuck with a lot of things. When I say we, I have a team of mine. So that is how it just goes off. Valana, I'm sure that there would be an episode where you will be with me as a guest. We already had a discussion on this. Yeah. All right. And I believe that today we all know that it's World Environmental Day, and I'm sure that every one of us would have definitely planted a tree or a small plant at your home. Yeah. I'm just putting this on pause for a second. I could see Raji just calling me up. She is nowhere here, so that is the reason I think there is a problem with connectivity. So just keeping the things apart for a while. I hope you will bear with me. Thank you. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah,
Yay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's clear.
Yeah. All right. So there you go. Raji, I love your dressing and things like that. I love that, yeah. Now, is it audible, Raji? The connectivity is a bit. Welcome, ma'am. Lots of love. Yay, great. All right. So, though some time has been left out, now without any much thing, I would say, no, this is a person. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. That is what she believes. She's a psychologist. She's a teacher, an artist, a bullet rider, which was something which fascinated me in the initial time when I met her 6 years back. And yeah, but in short, an explorer. So you could see that a lot of exploration is happening behind her. So
There's a
over
lot
to
of
you, Raji.
slides.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome to Beautiful Minds. This is my first show where I'm really happy that you have joined me here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Kirti. Thanks a lot.
So
Yeah,
there
I'm
you
I'm
go,
glad.
Raji. Over to you. Now, I had a lot of questions from people asking me who is this person, who is Raji as Rajendran. So I would now you to say that what is it all about? Why did I invite you? And with one question, I'll start off. where are you right now?
Okay. Yeah, as you see, this is where I live in. It's a stone house. I live in Kodaikanal right now. ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് it's almost a year and a half now. Yeah, you can hear some music for my intro.
Yeah, can you just tell me who is that? The intro person who was playing behind that?
The intro person would be my husband. So he's around cheering me up. Yeah.
That's great, yeah. All right. There you
Yeah,
go.
so
Raji, tell me, no? Yeah.
so we are in Kodaikanal right now. So it's been a year here. Hillzilla. We have a nice stone house. So yeah, I live here for the past 1.5 years. Yeah, so
Okay.
when you called, it was like really happy for me to say you have started something like this, which is good for especially on this environmental day, and it's a full moon day too. So it's a full moon night. Yeah. So
Okay. Raji, I'm sure that ഇവിടെ ഉള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്കൊക്കെ അറിയേണ്ടി വരുമായിരിക്കും കൊടൈക്കനാൽ. So are you basically from കൊടൈക്കനാൽ? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ can you just remind us your things and how did you come to this place? എന്ന കാര്യം ഒന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞുതരാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Yeah, sure. ഞാൻ ഇവിടുന്നില്ല. ഞാൻ ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം കേരളയിലായിരുന്നു. Like I did my studies there. My parents are from there. So my dad was in army. My mom was a housewife. So I was been there only for the last whatever years I have lived. Pinna avudunnu I used to travel. Like yeah, I was working as a trainer for some time.
Okay.
In schools and then with some corporates. So yeah, I used to do some work, not regular work. I was a freelancer basically. So yeah, most of the things, how it started, if I want to say, it would be like most of the conventional things which are said like you have to accept and live accordingly. I was not really resonating with that. Like you should really work hard, earn your living, live a job like 9 to 5, then you get some money and you spend that. So that was not really convincing for me somehow.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why I took freelance jobs. I try like to be very very nilava. Okay, the moon has come out. Like so, we always watch the moon rise from here. So it's time. So that's what he was saying. It will come up. Yeah. So angannoru life I was not basically intending. So most of the time I was free. Then I chose to work. അങ്ങനെ കുറെ ജോബ്സ് ഒന്നും വേണ്ടെന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ട് some great man who had some trust on me believed me that okay, she's saying something like which he can understand, gave me a job. So I started with St. Mary's School, and then I worked with ICT for a while as like freelance trainers in corporates. So that's what my work background is. Idokke cheyumbo I was in Trivandrum only. Then suddenly I'll be just, what to say, I go after some crazy idea of mine. Anganeyana traveling vannathu. So I started with traveling like to different places, not in Trivandrum. Trivandrum la adhigam povan I couldn't find places much because it's a city. And yeah, thankfully I had a bullet with me. So I used to go for rides, mostly beaches lanya pova. So yeah, what I was saying is I had some kind of other calling. So yeah, the conventional things was not really working for me. So I chose, okay, let me see another path like which comes across. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ ഫ്രീലാൻസ് ജോബ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. Okay, then I believe okay, that's possible. 15 days of a month are free and I'm getting regular payment also, so I need not worry about that even. So I was comfortable. Then came traveling, like that's where you met me. And so I was doing the trainings and traveling on the other times. So I used to go around, see people, uh, so different cultures, different people, so it all inspired me. പക്ഷേ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും സെറ്റിൽ ആകണം, things were going like for a while, like no, അതായത് things are all smooth, I'm not learning anything new, things are very comfortable. I felt like I have a job, I have my parents, I have my family to take care, I cook food, then I go for job again, then it was so predictable, I should say. Ellam, I know tomorrow what is going to happen. So that really kind of bored me. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞ, then we were thinking what to do. Then I decided like, okay, I'll leave the job and we'll go to another place. Then I came up the idea with, we'll go to Nepal. നേപ്പാളിൽ പോയിട്ട് സെറ്റിൽ ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ നേപ്പാളിൽ ഒരു ട്രിപ്പൊക്കെ നടത്തി in December. So we were there for almost ഒരു 1.5 months. വെറുതെ 4-5 ദിവസത്തേക്ക് പോയതാ. Then I really liked the place, you know, it was really bhangre, what to say, my craving for different kind of people and different landscape really worked. Toilet innakku nokkumba ice mountains കാണായിരുന്നു, that used to freak me out. You know, when you're pooping you see, you know, some giant mountain in, you know, with snow and it glitters when the sunlight hits. So that was very a crazy magic land for me. So I was like, let's go there, let's go there. Senthil was like, I don't know the language. I said, it's okay, we'll learn it. Let's go do something. But then, okay, we thought, not Nepal, we'll try something, you know, little risky. I said, okay. And that's how we came to Kodaikanal. Yeah, so a year before, things were going smooth, I was getting paid, I was having money, and we were roaming around, but things were no little, what to say, not, this is not where I have to be, no thought to annappa. I just randomly left everything and told everyone, we are going, where? I said, we are not sure, let you know. So വീട്ടിലുള്ള സാമാനൊക്കെ പാക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിലൊക്കെ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത്, we just took 2 trolley bags, our essentials and stuffs, and you know, there is a kind of guidance like within me. I believe it is there for everyone. Like, you really know what you want, and when things are not the way you want, you really get that calling within you. So I really get it, because I have spent a lot of time with myself, and I know what is going inside me, or why I'm thinking so. So yeah, so that call comes which you cannot resist. Those who know, they know. So that's why I left everything, and yeah, we were just in some house hunts, hearing there, staying here and there and all. But yeah, before coming here, we had come here once and looked for the places and people, so things seemed to be fine. So one day we just vacated, and a trolley bag, and we had some 10 handbags. Backpacks, kind, 2 big bags and 10 small bags. So we used to count and, okay, get in the taxi, bus, and reach the hills. You know, it's a beautiful way coming to the hills itself. You really feel like home. So yeah, you have to pass a lot of hills, then you see plains from far, and it's cold here. You can see I'm like in woolens and hat and all. എല്ലായിടത്തും ഭയങ്കര വെയിലാണ്, ചൂടാണ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ we are so blessed. ഇവിടെ വന്നതിന്റെ ഒരു റീസൺ പറയുമ്പോ it's the heat also, to be sure of. AC-ല് you can't be after a while. So അങ്ങനെ തണുപ്പ് തേടിയും ഒരു യാത്ര ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So yeah. Nepal was really cold and nice. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ നേപ്പാൾ നോക്കിയിട്ട് എല്ലാം ഫിറ്റ് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. You go like some other strange place, everything is crazy, you just start over എന്നുള്ളത്. പക്ഷേ yeah, we are starting off with Kodaikanal, I think. അടുത്ത് you don't know. Still we are like in that situation. So yeah, അങ്ങനെ നാട്ടിലൊക്കെ like in Coimbatore ഒക്കെ വീട് തേടി, it was not happening at all. Then we just came here for 2-day break because Kotagiri undu pinne ullathu Kodaikanalanu hills for the tanupu. So we came here. Nokumbam, we stayed in a hostel, and the hostel guy said there is a house, if you like it you can take it. We said okay. He just randomly said, we came and saw this house. It was a beautiful stone house, and they had all the furnitures inside, and it's inside a botanical garden. Actually, it's a story again. Okay, we have enough time, right?
Yes, yes, definitely, Raji. We are just here to listen to you.
Yeah, so two couples from England, they came here. They liked the place, so they started planting wild plants. So basically the sholas, we belong to the Western Ghats, so we are on the Western Ghats hill. So they have a lot of shola trees, wild, so which used to be there for years. So anganoru landscape anidhu. So what these
Okay.
people did was my botany knowledge have little increased being here. I see the real plants and flowers. I recently made a wildflower jam.
I think you need
Yeah.
to update some photos and videos in your Instagram, whatever you're discussing here, so that after this particular show, when people start following you, they can watch out everything directly, so they can connect with all the conversations that we are having right now, and they can visualize the things there.
Yeah,
Because I've been
there are
watching that.
already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there in my post, you can see. So yeah, so those people came here, and they started doing some planting. So they go to the forest, they collect the seeds, they studied about the seeds, how to germinate, propagate, and all. So they were self-taught botanists, so they were doing all this all their life. So they were living here, and they just moved apart from this compound. They live on the other side. So it's a whole property which has a lot of wild saplings and wild trees around our place. So we just saw the house and we just took it. And since then we
I'm
are
sure that
staying here.
along with me, others would also have a curiosity. Do you have wild animals as well, along with that?
Yeah, we
Wild
see
plants and wild.
bisons. Yeah, there are animals, of course. They say there are cheetahs, but we haven't seen any. But bisons come very often.
Okay.
Like cows, you can't differentiate, is it a cow or a bison? So they are there everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. So then
That's nice.
other,
Yeah.
while you can see a lot of birds. Like I can't name them, but you see the birds which you generally don't get to see in Trivandrum. Yeah, so there are some exotic birds. Maybe I have to study them. They are in different colors. Then ഇപ്പൊ പിന്നെ കുറെ മിന്നാമിന്നികളുണ്ട് now this time currently. So they are also
Okay.
there in lots. Nights full
Okay.
glittering ആണ്. So it's a ഭയങ്കര naturally divine ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു place ആണ്. So yeah,
Okay.
as I told you, the calling which responds. So that's how it got me here, and we are here for the last 1 year. Yeah, and I tried doing some jobs here and there, but no scope for our kind of work and all. But what I currently do is, I told you, like last week I was doing some art class for the kids, and basically I'm just living little moments and life which is giving you happiness. We have 2 kittens at home, then we have 2 puppies.
Raji, I think many of them would love to go and live like this, but they might be wondering that what is the, how do you live there? What is the, like, how do you get the earning for this? Because I remember when I asked you this question personally, you said something. So can you just share that as well to others? Why are you teaching others art?
Yeah, so I used to what to say, like our job with is not happening here because this is not the place. ഇവിടെ വന്നിരുന്ന നമ്മൾ സിറ്റിയിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന പോലെ ഒരു വർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടിരിക്കാൻ പറ്റും എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നില്ല because I have learned that only here. So we have like a lot of friends here around, very beautiful people. Okay, there is some flowers behind, red
Yes,
flowers. Yeah, so
Yeah.
today morning we met one of our friend Helen and Vishnu and their little son Luca. So they'll be also in my page. So we met them. She shared me saying it's good to share some love. So we also shared that it's here. So yeah, so it's so we have like beautiful people we meet who are like there every time or any time. So very few people. So yeah, so that is the advantage I have seen. You meet a lot of people and it's a nice place to be here. Pinne, when you have a will, things just roll on. You know, you tend to have a lot of fear. Like basically, you don't want to move out of your comfort zone. അതാണ് ഈ പല ഫിയറും തരുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് പറ്റുമോ, ആ ലൈഫ് പോസിബിൾ ആണോ, വാട്ട് അബൌട്ട് ദ ഏർണിങ്സ്, വാട്ട് ഇഫ് ഐ ഡോണ്ട് ഗെറ്റ് എ ജോബ്. that really doesn't matter. Once ഞാൻ കീർത്തിനോട് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, when you intend to do something and which is like happening, it will happen one after another. ഇപ്പൊ when I left my job or when I decided to leave a home in Trivandrum or a settled life, I didn't know I will come to Kodaikanal. I'll be, you know, doing all this. I'll be enjoying. I'll feel home. So I never felt, my plan was to go to Nepal. So I was planning things for that. So yeah, it's basically a gut feeling, like listening to yourself. I would say, yeah, practicality, logically, nokke namku parayam. But if you really look at things, most of the things doesn't happen the way you plan it. Things
Yeah.
are like not really in control. You can just decide on the moment. Adum, if you're really present. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പം നമുക്കൊരു ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ട്, we need to do something, or I have a call which I have to respond എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ definitely out of your gut feeling, if you feel, you have to go for the call. Things will align. Like എൻ്റെ experience, I can only share that because you don't really plan and no, I'll do this organized അങ്ങനെ ഇല്ല. So yeah, that there is a call for everyone, I believe, because അത് റിയലൈസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു ടൈം എത്ര എടുക്കും എന്നുള്ളതാണ് മാറ്റേഴ്സ്.
അതല്ല രാജി, കൊടൈക്കനാലിലേക്ക് ബുള്ളറ്റും കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ ബുള്ളറ്റ്, ബിക്കോസ് ആസ് ഐ ടോൾഡ് യു, മൈ പ്ലാൻ വാസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു നേപ്പാൾ. Everything. Yeah, so
bullet ഓടിക്കുന്ന കാര്യം മിസ് ചെയ്യണ്ട, because I have seen all the pictures of yours on a bullet.
Yeah, bullet. ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് yeah, I get to ride some of my friends' bike. Okay, so that's okay. There are like more things. ഞാൻ horse riding പഠിക്കാൻ പോയി. So yeah, so how I manage my things എന്നുള്ളത്. So as I told, ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് I get like good milk എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഫാറ്റി മിൽക്ക് നമ്മൾ പാക്കറ്റിൽ മേടിക്കുന്നതിനേക്കാളും ഇറ്റ്സ് റിയലി ഗുഡ്. നല്ല മിൽക്ക്, നല്ല ക്രീമാണ്. സോ വെൻ യു ബോയിൽ ഇറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് 2 times തന്നെ യു ഗെറ്റ് എ തിക്ക് ലെയർ ഓഫ് ക്രീം. സോ ഞാൻ അതെടുത്തിട്ട് ബട്ടർ ഉണ്ടാക്കും. ബട്ടർ ഉണ്ടാക്കി നല്ല ഗീ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് so I just saw the horse. ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ അടുത്ത് നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നിടത്ത് തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. And I saw the owner also there. So I just asked, is it your horse? So I said, I want to learn riding it. So ഇവിടെ basically tourism ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. So horse ഒക്കെ ടൂറിസ്റ്റിന് റൈഡ് പോവാനൊക്കെ ഉള്ളതാണ്. So you see horses also very often here. ഈ cow, dog മാതിരി തന്നെ horses, like beautiful horses also there. So അങ്ങനെ ശരി, why not try horse riding എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് I went to him and said, okay, ingane horse riding padikkanam. So he's like, yeah. He said some 700 rupees for something. So I was like, what? I said, I'll give you ghee instead. Is that okay? He said, okay. He said, okay. I said, okay. പിന്നെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡേ ഒരു ബോട്ടിൽ ഗീ കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഹോഴ്സ് റൈഡിങ് പഠിച്ചു തുടങ്ങി. So yeah, art class no pagaram, I do barter system here, which really works at times. Not for all. പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കുറച്ച് ജുഗാഡു ഐറ്റംസിനൊക്കെ അത് തന്നെയാണ്. And we have a farm like in our backyards. ഒരു സ്കൂളിന്റെ ഫാം ലാൻഡ് ആണ്. So they grow almost all the vegetables and ഇതുക്കുള്ള വെജിറ്റബിൾസ് ഉണ്ട്, ക്യാരറ്റ്, ബീൻസ്. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ പ്ലംസ് ഉണ്ട്, പ്ലംസ് ഒക്കെ പോയി കട്ടെടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് വേറൊരു ഇത്. നമ്മുടെ ഒരു മതിലുണ്ട്, മതിലില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് മൈ പ്ലേസ് ഉള്ളി. ലൈക്ക് യു കാൻ ബിൽഡ് എ വാൾ ആൻഡ് സേ ഇറ്റ്സ് മൈൻ. സോ പ്ലംസ് ആർ ദേർ എവ്രിവെയർ. വി ജസ്റ്റ് ഗെറ്റ് ടു പ്ലക്ക്. പിന്നെ കുറെ ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട്, സഫർ ജെല്ലി, then peach and plums are there. So maybe I'll make wine with plums. Fruit wines okay ഇവിടെ നല്ല as I told you, flour jam indaki. So I exchange all that for my no. Oh, it's so dark. Yeah, for my needs here. Pinne kasha we move. Yeah, definitely, like you need certain money for the basic requirements, so that comes from the savings. So whatever we worked, we had our savings. So yeah, and my husband is a cinematographer, so he gets calls. He works in Mumbai in art films and some commercial films. So
Okay.
yeah, so that's how we get the earning part. Baki okay.
Now, one thing
and
which,
there is not much expense also here if you look at
oh,
it.
that- Okay.
Yeah.
Raji, one thing which fascinated me recently when I went through your Instagram page is that I saw your husband making some I
Rocket
would say
stove?
some yeah, rocket stove. And I read one thing that
It's a dog smell.
he has moved from engineering and he has moved to something else. So is that you have a crazy partner like you itself along with you?
Yeah, I would say crazy, but yeah, we listen to our calls maybe. So we know what we really want. That's what we would call us. Yeah, he did engineering as everyone would do. So he did that, then he realized he went for a work also, I think. And so he realized that was not the place where he has to be. So then he cracked the film school, like in the course which happens in Calcutta, SRFTI. So yeah, he joined the film school. He did cinematography, he did movies, and he shot some art films. So that's what his call is for. Like he wants to take films, he wants to make movies. So yeah, engineering is like he did long time back.
Raji, I'm sure that people would be having a lot of things to ask you as well in this. We'll wait for that. But along with that, I have few things to ask you. One is that when you say you get a call and you will understand that this is something which I have to do. How do you understand that? That's a very I know that's a very very tricky question. But still, is there a bell which rings out and says, "Ting ting, it's time for you to go"?
Yeah, for that you have to be really like what I won't say focus. You should be very mindful. You should know about yourself. When things are not really working out, you really know it's not working out. And when things work out, certain things you do, you would love to do it again, or you can't stop yourself doing it. So yeah, psychology training, if I have to say in my thing. So after a point I was like, no, I want to do something else. Or as I told you, this was giving me a kind of boredom. So that's where I understand, okay, this is a kind of boring thing, or this is not making me inspired. This is not the thing which I want to do every day. Then a call kittumbulana. That's how I moved in. Then I took a break. I wanted to do something else. Then again, it's like the calling is there. So that's when I told you, like, I want to do something ന്നുള്ളത് തോന്നുമ്പോ you really get a call from within. For that you have to be really in touch with you.
Okay. Now, just one more thing, Raji. See, in Kerala, it is quite common that when you are getting out of your family, അതായത് ഞങ്ങൾ ഇനി ഇവിടെ ഒന്നും ഇല്ല, ഞങ്ങൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് പോവാണ്, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയില്ല എവിടെയാ പോകുന്നത്, ഇതൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുമ്പോ മിക്കവാറും നമ്മുടെ ഫാമിലി റിലേറ്റീവ്സ് എല്ലാവരും വന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റും പറയും, അതായത് എങ്ങോട്ടാ പോകുന്ന അറിയില്ല, എന്താ വിചാരിച്ചിട്ട്, ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു പരിപാടി നിങ്ങൾക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നോ, ഈ ഒരു ആചാരം?
എന്തിങ്ങനെ എല്ലാരോടും പറയാന്നുള്ളതോ?
അല്ല, എല്ലാരും ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്ന് പറയില്ല, ഉപദേശിക്കല്.
അത് depends on the person you are. If you look at it, like, I really know a true person, like when they are genuine, or you really know. അത് നമുക്ക് ശീലമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we know it's not എന്നുള്ളത്. Like, you have few people you know who are real ones and who are not. It's you just know it, right? അതെങ്ങനെ yeah, the vibe you get, or you can call in terms of energy by
I think ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയില് maybe by the end of this this show, I think your husband should also join us, because there are a lot of inputs which is coming from his side as well. He's helping you with all the effects behind to make this more colorful.
Oh, this is our home. Like, ഇന്ന് ഫ്രൈഡേ ഈവനിങ് അല്ലേ, ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെ ഭയങ്കര സംഭവങ്ങളൊന്നും സംഭവിക്കാറില്ല generally. So today is like, okay, I'm on a call and it's a special day, so okay, let's now make up the mood എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് I was like, okay, ഇന്ന് ഫ്രൈഡേ കുറച്ച് കളർഫുൾ ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, വീക്കെൻഡ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. So അങ്ങനെ ഞങ്ങള് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തതാ.
രാജി, എനിക്ക് ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടി ഇവിടെ എല്ലാവരോടും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത്, ഈ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ മൈൻഡ്സ് എന്നുള്ള ഒരു തോട്ട് വന്നപ്പോ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിൽ കുറച്ച് ആൾക്കാർ വരും. അതിൽ ഒരാൾ വന്നത് രാജിയായിരുന്നു. അതായത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ല, ബുള്ളറ്റ് റൈഡിങ്, ആ ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് എന്നെ ഫാസിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്. ഇപ്പൊ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് എനിക്കൊന്ന് കോമൺ ആ തോന്നുന്നു, കുറെ സ്ത്രീകൾ ഓടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ബുള്ളറ്റ് ഒക്കെ. പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ അതിനുശേഷം പോയി സെർച്ച് ചെയ്ത് ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാമിൽ നോക്കുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ ഇത് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് ദ ബോക്സ് ആണ്. അതായത് ബുള്ളറ്റ് ഓടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പൊ ബുള്ളറ്റ് അല്ലല്ലോ, ഇപ്പൊ വേറെ എന്തുവാണ്, ഇപ്പൊ കാട്ടിലാണോ, എന്താണെന്ന് എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ രാജിനെ വിളിച്ചതും. അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് എന്റെ വ്യൂവേഴ്സിനോട് പറയാനുള്ള ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ, ഞാൻ വിളിച്ച സമയത്ത് ചിലപ്പോ എനിക്ക് വന്ന കോൾ ആയിരിക്കും. മേ ബി ഞാൻ ഒരു ഇനീഷ്യൽ വീഡിയോയിൽ പറഞ്ഞത് ഇതൊരു ഡ്രീം ആയിരുന്നു ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ഷോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം എന്നുള്ളത്. രാജിനെ ഞാൻ രാവിലെ വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ രാജി പറയുന്നത്, കീർത്തി വാട്ട് എ സർപ്രൈസ്, ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ ഞാൻ നീട്ടിട്ട് വിചാരിച്ചുള്ളൂ ഞാൻ ഇനി എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ചെയ്യണല്ലോ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴാണ് ഈ കോള് വരുന്നത്. ഐ എം ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ദെയർ ഫോർ ദ ഷോ, ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് എന്നോട് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചു, ശരി ഒന്ന് കഥ എന്തൊക്കെയാന്ന് പറയുമെന്ന് വെച്ചപ്പോ ഇതൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചതിൽ എങ്ങനെയാ നിങ്ങൾ ജീവിക്കുന്നത്? അപ്പൊ എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞ വളരെ എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര തമാശയായി തോന്നിയൊരു കാര്യമാണ്, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ വിചാരിക്കുന്ന അടുത്തുള്ള കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പഠിപ്പിക്കാം, ബിക്കോസ് ഞാൻ വരയ്ക്ക് കുറച്ച്, എന്നിട്ട് വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അവരോട് പറയാ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പൈസ ഒന്നും തരണ്ട, വീട്ടില് കൃഷി ചെയ്യണ പച്ചക്കറിയൊക്കെ എനിക്ക് തന്നാൽ മതി ഇത്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെയും ജീവിക്കാം എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു. അത് ഇപ്പത്തെ ഈ ഒരു ലൈഫില് നമ്മള് മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് എല്ലാവരും ചിന്തിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ബിസി ലൈഫില് പല പല കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഇത് ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ തന്നെ, ഇതൊന്നും ഇല്ലാതെയും ജീവിക്കാം, കുറച്ചുകൂടി ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആണെന്ന് കാണിക്കുന്ന ഇതായിരിക്കും തോന്നുന്നു രാജീവിന്റെ ലൈഫ്, എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു.
Yeah. Thank you. അത് what to say, when you really shift yourself, ഇതും ഒരു experiential തന്നെയാണ്. Like, most of us have been conditioned, കുറെ ഫിയറിലാണ്, ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ആൾക്കാർ എന്ത് പറയും, that is always there. Like, ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും പറയാ, ഈവൻ ബി സൈക്കോളജി എടുക്കാൻ തന്നെ ഒരു കാരണം, like, I was always curious about this human, like human, the being human, or being called human. So what is it? No, it always fascinates. Maybe a personality type ano, but even from childhood I used to wonder at things. So wonder is something which easily comes to me. So maybe you can simply wonder at things just staying there. So angane alochikkumblan, okay, human being which is so complicated, I felt, because I told you, cherdile thottu most of the conventional things were not acceptable to me. So I would say that is not how I experience. So when you say so it's when you say people are bad, so I never experienced any bad people, so I couldn't really get convinced with that. Then people say, like, you have to really work hard, that is what you have ഭയങ്കര ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഏൺ ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണിത്. ഐ റിയലി ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ ശരിക്കുള്ള ഒരു ജോലി പോലും ഇതുവരെയ്ക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. but things are fine, right? The way you see things എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ പറയാൻ വരുന്നത്. So most of the conventional things was not acceptable for me, so I started, or I did things which would be not in that way. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ജോലിയുടെ ആണെങ്കിലും വിട്ടിട്ട് വന്നതാണേലും, because you just got one life. അത് you are meant to basically experience. ഇപ്പം ഹോഴ്സ് റൈഡിങ് ചെയ്യാതെ I don't know how it feels like. So people might say you might fall down or it's not good for you, whatever, but it's okay. Like, I can try. You don't know what it gives. So you don't know what is there on the other side of the fear. Quotes ഒക്കെ കാണാറുണ്ട്. So that really works, when you really do something, it's okay. Anyway, you try doing it. Let's see. ഒരു call ആണ് ബേസിക്കലി.
ഞാൻ എനിക്ക് അടുത്തൊന്ന് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ള എന്താണ് രാജി, അതായത് ഇങ്ങനെ പോയി വീടൊക്കെ വിട്ട് ഇറങ്ങി, വാസ് ദർ എനി പോയിന്റ് വേർ യു റിഗ്രറ്റ് ഫോർ ദ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് വിച്ച് യു ഹാവ് ടേക്കൻ? അതായത് വൈ ഡിഡ് ഐ ഡു ദിസ്, എന്തിനാണ് ഞാൻ മര്യാദയ്ക്ക് ട്രിവാൻഡ്രത്തിന് നിന്നാ മതിയായിരുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒരു ലൈഫായിരുന്നു കുറച്ചുകൂടി നല്ലത്, അങ്ങനെ തോന്നിയ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ഉണ്ടോ? ലൈക്ക് അറ്റ് എനി പോയിന്റ് യു ആർ റിയലി സ്ട്രഗ്ലിംഗ് ആൻഡ് യു ഫെൽറ്റ് I should have done the same thing rather than exploring these things?
The fascinating thing about mind as a psychologist, or like we are in this field, we understand this. It's very fascinating. It goes from ideas to ideas. Like people say it's a monkey mind of us, and it's very easy to forget things. The way it might help you to think in a different way, maybe, but this is the way I think. Like my husband also asked me, like, you don't get all these things. So that's the same thing when I connected, when you asked me the question, I felt like, so it is like അത് അങ്ങനെ തോന്നിയില്ലേ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം, so you tend to forget so what I was saying was, you easily tend to forget what the important thing is. So ഞാൻ ട്രിവാൻഡ്രമിൽ നിൽക്കുമ്പോ, so how I think I'm saying, so ട്രിവാൻഡ്രമിൽ നിൽക്കുമ്പോ, okay, I'm like kind of saturated, or I got experience of this and I want to experience something else nu varumbo, I left everything and I chose to be here. So things are different here. So that doesn't make me regret of what I lived like before. So I'm really I'm really convinced with the things which are happening around. Like every day there are some moments of joy, happiness. The hills and the nature always gives some surprise. Eppalum fog undu, mist undu. And we walk a lot. Ipo bullet illa. Annalum eniki bullet ayo vitittu vannallo ennullora regret I never felt, because we are walking a lot. So that is another experience which I wouldn't have got if I had a bike, maybe, or things would be different. I'll regret a point, and then I don't feel like. So yeah, I haven't felt any regret as such. It's nice.
രാജി, എനിക്ക് വേറൊരു കാര്യം ചോദിക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്, ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി രാജിനെ വിളിക്കാൻ നോക്കി, അതായത് കൺഫേം ചെയ്യാൻ, ലൈക്ക് ഓൾ സെറ്റ്, എല്ലാം റെഡി അല്ലേ, നമ്മള് ആദ്യത്തെ ഷോ ആണ് അതൊക്കെ പറയാണ്ട് വിളിച്ചപ്പോ ഐ കുഡന്റ് റീച്ച് യു അറ്റ് ഓൾ. ഞാൻ രാത്രി മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചു, രാവിലെ മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചു, ദർ ഇസ് നോ റെസ്പോൺസ്. ഇൻ മോർണിംഗ് യു ഗേവ് മി എ കോൾ and you just shared one thing. It was a very beautiful moment which was happening where we were just walking. അപ്പൊ എന്താണ് ഈ പറയുന്നത് എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ല എന്താ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്. ബട്ട് ആസ് ഐ വാസ് ഇൻ ഓക്കെ രാജിനെ കിട്ടി, നമ്മുടെ കാര്യം നടക്കട്ടെ എന്നുള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് the ambience was jolly good. ഈ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത, എന്തോ ഒരു ഭംഗി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്നൊക്കെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. So what was that?
Oh yeah, other than as I told you, so when you live here, you tend to respond to അത് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ടോന്ന് അറിയില്ല, or because we live in a certain way, we respond to all these things. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ സൺലൈറ്റും, because you get fantastic sunlight here. Early ഇവിടെ രാവിലെ 5:30 ഒരു 5:45 ആവുമ്പോ full, I don't know how many of you can relate, full dark and some blue light comes. That's how the day breaks. Pinne full colors and sunrise in there. So you generally tend to, this is what you have here, so this is what you respond to as well. So അങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ nature ഭയങ്കര beautiful ആണ്. So the sunlight, so we see all these things. അപ്പൊ ഇന്ന് full moon night ആണ്. So അപ്പൊ ഇന്നലെ ഒരു സൈഡ് മാത്രമേ വരാനുള്ളൂ. So it was almost a full moon night. So yeah, we spent some evening and the movie kandittu angane. It was like beautiful night outside, so we saw a movie, so we spent time with each other, we share things. So our time, so yeah, that was what നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു വന്നൊരു important thing. See, I almost forgot it. So the mind forgets the most important thing. So the most important thing is to remember what the most important thing is.
Repeat your. Yeah, I think most of us, like me, would be definitely confused. Repeat your dialogue.
ഒരാൾ പറഞ്ഞതാട്ടോ, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതില്ല. The most important thing is to remember the most important thing.
Okay. So yesterday the most important thing was the moment that you both were together.
Yeah.
Than the phone or Instagram or anything.
So basically you tend to, so that's when you really know what your call is also. So നമ്മളൊക്കെ ഫസ്റ്റ് തൊട്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് വന്നത്, and as I told you, like mind wanders all the time and it forgets what is more important to you. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ regret, this kind of fear, what you call, all your inhibitions comes from that area. So you generally, ipum oru conversation aanengilum, we often say when you listen to someone, you are not really listening, you listen to reply. So that is there always, you really forget the most important thing. So ee parna pole oru mindfulness, what I wanted to say was also like you really give importance to the now. നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും പറയുന്ന പോലെ, when you respond to it, it really responds to you back.
രാജി, എനിക്കറിയുന്നത് രാത്രിയെന്നറിയാം, പക്ഷെ I think most of us here would be curious to at least see the inside of yours. Would you mind to just quickly show us the stone house? That എനിക്കറിയാം ഇത് രാത്രി കാണാൻ ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരിക്കും, but
രാത്രി rather than the inside, the outside is beautiful. Inside is just okay. What do I show you? Yeah, I can show a fireplace. There is no fire. Okay. So there is no fire today because ഞാൻ ലൈവിൽ വന്നു. So ഇവിടെ cold ആണ്, as I told you. So there's a fireplace, there is some antique. So ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന couples, like most of they used to travel. So ഈ കാണുന്ന pots ഒക്കെ they have traveled and collected all this. ഇതൊക്കെ ഓരോ സ്ഥലത്തുള്ള art and craft work ആണ്.
Okay.
If you could see, this is a fruit, it's a vegetable, pumpkin bolte endo oru vegetable aanu. So they have carved in that. Yeah, we have interesting like these kind of pieces. This is some box and you have some dried leaves in it. Oh my god. Some treasure. So ഇവിടെ ഭയങ്കര colorful leaves വരും. As I told you, we have lot of plants around and wild things.
Raji, it would be really great if you can just spend some time in the morning to have a shoot of your place. എന്താണ് comb? Okay. Now, I would like to ask you one more thing, Raji. In between, I don't know whether the viewers have observed or not. There was some Tamil dialogue which is going, yeah, Nilav and things like that. Why is it so? I know that, but I think the viewers should definitely know.
That's because
So, are
ഒന്ന്
you
ഇവിടെ
basically a Malayali or a Tamilian?
ഇല്ല എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ ഫാമിലി തമിലിയൻസ് ആണ്. ദേ കം ഫ്രം തിരുവട്ടാർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ബോർഡറിലുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ അച്ഛൻ വന്ന് കേരളയാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഒരു ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫാമിലിയിൽ തന്നെ ഒരു തമിഴ് മലയാളം ഒരു ഇതുണ്ട്, ഒരു ക്രോസ് ഹൈബ്രിഡ്.
ഓക്കെ ഫൈൻ. അതല്ല രാജി, ഇനിയിപ്പോ ഞങ്ങൾ ആരെങ്കിലും കൊടൈക്കനാലിൽ വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് സൗകര്യങ്ങൾ തരുമോ താമസിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി?
ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ I am saying that this is like, if anyone, even you, I am inviting for this, like anyone has a plan, like we can really do things together here. You have a land, you can do something, like you whatever your fantasies. Farming ആണ് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, but normal vegetable farming ഒക്കെയാണ്. But you can do people if you have a land, like ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഒരു whatever for the ലാസ്റ്റ് നടക്കുന്നതൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് we see, like if you have a land and if you can grow your food, basically it will be a great thing. So ആർക്കൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും വരിക, we'll set that up. We'll start working on it. And
that's
definitely
great,
yeah, we are here until we are here.
That's
we can
great.
Definitely
yeah, Raji, we just left out with 10 more minutes to wind up our show. So if you don't mind, can I just get your partner of crime or partner of craziness into this, if they don't mind? Just to know that
he's a shy man. So
okay.
I don't know. I can ask him maybe. They want to see you. Okay, you can talk also something. Maybe they want. What do you exactly want him to for?
Nothing much. Yeah, we heard from you just.
Yeah,
just to hear
because
from
you were interrupting in between, so they would like to see you as well. Yeah, you can talk definitely.
Yeah, definitely you can talk. There is no restriction.
Huh?
It's our show.
I made a constellation.
Yeah, he's coming. He's making some constellations. Yeah, ഒരു ടൈമിൽ you get to see like നമ്മൾ മിൽക്കി വേ എന്നൊക്കെ കാണുന്നത്, you get the pattern here. You get to see the stars. Stars
so where
like
exactly
crazy.
is this? No, അതായത് കൊടൈക്കനാലിൽ നമ്മൾ ആരെങ്കിലും വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ which place should we ask for? Which place is exactly you're staying at right now?
കൊടൈക്കനാൽ സിറ്റിന്ന് കുറച്ച് മാറിയിട്ടാണ്, ലൈക്ക് നോട്ട് വെരി ഫാർ, ലൈക്ക് ക്ലോസ് ടു 3-4 കിലോമീറ്റേഴ്സ് അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഹില്ലിന്റെ മേളിലാണ്. സോ വി ഗോട്ട് ദ ഹൗസ് ഹിയർ. സോ ദർ ആർ ലൈക്ക് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ പ്ലേസസ് ഇൻ ആൻഡ് അറൌണ്ട്. ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ആൾക്കാര് ദേ കം, ദേ ലിവ് like not for long time. We know, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ friends I told you, so basically they are painters. So who wants to paint or who really love to, ഇല്ലെങ്കിലും വെറുതെ വന്നിട്ട് my like Senthil says, it's your expression, no? What art has formed in that shape now. Whatever you express with colors, that's the art form. So you can really paint. It's beautiful here. So they are painters.
Okay.
So people come here and settle for a very serene life. അങ്ങനെ settle ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൾക്കാര് കുറച്ച് in and around we have friends. So
in short, a travel is never a matter of money. It's just the courage, isn't it?
yeah. Basically, I say whatever. It's not about travel alone. Kore namle, because we are in this field that we see people. And we know what people go through. So അങ്ങനെ നോക്കുമ്പോ many have ഭയങ്കര they have their dreams or they really want to do. ഞാൻ travel ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും ഒത്തിരി പേര് ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്, how you manage to travel, like I also want to travel. ഇത് എല്ലാരും പറയുന്നതാണ്. there is nothing. Travel എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ഭയങ്കര travel ടാഗിൽ പോകണം എന്നൊന്നുമില്ല. Like some new place which you can easily go based on your guts or finance or days of leave or whatever. Travel is just you can ipo arilla. But yeah, and for
Okay.
whatever things you can take a step ahead of your fear. It'll
Okay,
definitely
that's
work
great.
out. That's where things work out actually.
All right, Raji. So before we wind up our show, waiting for the man behind you to come forward. One. Second, is there any message that you would like to tell the viewers that to explore themselves and to just follow their mind and things like that? Any messages from your side?
Uh, Listen to yourself. That's what I'll say, because you really know when you really take some time for yourself. Yeah, everything is important, but ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ നമ്മള്, because I never felt it that way. ഈ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, like as being, like as humans, you are meant to experience other things, like which is beyond your logic or calculations or the things which you have known. That is really there. So you have to really respond to it. As we see, like moonum sannum okke kanumbo, you really get amazed. And this element of wondering always helps. Onthing kittiyilengilum at least you wonder at things, wow, where it is. So yeah, it really helps. So it can be built step by step. ഈ പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരി we should really see that most of the things, like it's in your head. എപ്പോഴും അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ്. So when you really respond or take action or really physically doing things, appalan you really do things. Rest of the time you are in your head, don't know where. Anganeyani, if you really notice or if you try at least so to see into your head, namal eppalum parayum we will be always thinking, and most of the times the thoughts are all the same nu parayarundi, which is really true. If you really sit and think, you will see it. So head nerangite, if you really do something physically matrame you see a result. Samsarikinnado chindikinnado we can do anytime. So that doesn't need anything. So that's what I have also seen for myself. നമ്മൾ എത്ര ഇത് ചെയ്താലും the result which comes in when you really do things, yeah, they are waiting for you. Yeah.
Yeah, we are equally waiting for you. So before we say goodbye, would love to see the couple together, those who are doing crazy things around right now in Kodaikanal. Hi, hello.
Hello, hi.
Yeah, I've been speaking to Raji right now. May I just know your name and can you just give some 2 words for us? This is my first show of Beautiful Minds. So would be really happy if you can just give 2 words. What do you think?
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I've been hearing like, yeah, you're planning something and wants her to talk something. My name is Senthil Prabhu. Yeah, I've grown up in Coimbatore.
All right.
I did I did engineering.
Yeah,
I
I told
studied
this to
films, and I don't do much anything like these days. But yeah, I can do some work.
That's great. But I think most of us would be really.
Yeah. No,
I didn't hear you. And it just got. What is that, Raji? Sorry.
No, nothing.
No, you can say.
There is something which is happening in between you, like something. Shh, don't say. Okay. No, I'm sure that.
So I didn't know. You asked me to inspire people, so I was just thinking for a moment, will that work for the show or not?
No, that's perfectly fine, Raji. See, the point behind Beautiful Mind is not only to inspire others, but as I said in my initial video, that it is just to get people know that thinking out of the box or making a small change in their mindset would definitely create a change in their life. So I think you have done a great job for my first episode. No, to let them, let people know that yeah, now you can probably stay away from the busy life and be happy the place where you are. So, and I think that both of you together creates a great couple. No, I would say crazy couple to stay out of everything and being there. Sir, would be looking forward for your movies. Yeah, with a lot of crazy part of
Movies,
yours and. Sorry.
we're trying to do some of our own kind of stuff, like to shoot something or to make our own kind of films,
Yeah.
because like it's not we are not able to I'm not able to get to work in the kind of films or movies what I really want to work or something. So
Okay.
if that is not happening, then you better do your own kind of thing for yourself. So it
All
all
right.
comes to the same thing, like you are still, you will not get satisfied on anything. Like that is my thing. We both are quite different in the way how we perceive things or see things.
Raji?
Many like no. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
actually
I
my
think,
battery power got low.
oh, that okay. That's perfectly fine. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Sir was talking actually something.
Yeah.
What do you
He
say?
was saying about our differences. So we are
Yeah, that's right.
quite
That's right.
different.
I was just telling
She is
Raji
more
also the same thing that it is always no, it would be really great if she can just have some videos to be shared about the sceneries and things which is going on there. I mean, I'm sure that people would love to know how it is. And soon after this, I would definitely be mentioning your Instagram ID below my video so that people can start following you and they can just feel how well you are there with the environment. So in short, Raji and sir, thank you so much for being a part of my first episode. And it was great privilege to have you there. And I'm sure that on this particular day of environmental, World Environmental Day, I'm sure that I have people, those who are really living inside the environment with a lot of happiness.
Thank you, Kirti. Thanks for doing this. We also got to see you give a share our things. So yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Not a problem. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of us and coming to the camera, in front of the camera, or rather than being behind the camera. All right. So, Raji, I'll catch up with you. Thank you again, yeah, and keep watching Beautiful Minds.
Yeah, yeah. Bye. Sure. Good night to
Bye bye.
all.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Good night. So viewers, thank you so much. I believe you have some just about Kodaikanal, and on this day, I was able to bring up a person who was really from or who was inside the nature and could tell you some of her experience. Looking forward for your support for the upcoming episodes, and I'll try that I can bring up more people like this. As my tagline says, it's a live chat show with the unsung heroes. So looking forward for all your support. Keep watching Beautiful Minds. Next episode will be on next Friday at 7 o'clock. So please ensure you give your comments below and let me know what do you feel. It's the first episode, so you would have find some technical things there, but I would try that the upcoming episodes would be much more good when you compare with all the episodes which are coming up. So thank you so much for joining me here. Wish you all a very good night. Take care and be safe at home. Bye bye.